Assalamualaikum. So I will continue our lecture on fundamental of matrix operation. Okay, so by definition, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. The numbers in the array are called the entries in the matrix. So rectangular, and inside the rectangular array we call this one as a entry. Okay, so example of matrix. So this is what we call row, and the other one is column. Okay, so example, this one 3 by 2, betul tak? Dia ada 3 row, 2 column. Yang ini so when we want to notify the matrix, we start with row times columns. Okay, so for example, here we have 3 row, 2 columns. So this one 3 times 2 matrix. This one 1 row, 1 by 4. How about this one? 1, 2, 3 equals what? Row and column. So 3 by 3. This one 1 row, second row, so 1 column. So 2 times 1, or 2 by 1. So this one 1 row and 1 row, so 1 by 1. So inside the array known as entries. So for 1 by 1 matrix, it has one entry, 4. Okay, next, a general M times N matrix A as, so M, M1, M2, so on and so forth. This is N, N1, N, ataupun row1, row2, C1, C2, C3, Okay, the entry that occurs in row I and column J of matrix A will be denoted Aij or Aij if Aij is your number. It is common to be referred as scalars. Okay, scalar. The preceding matrix can be written as this one lah. Okay, a matrix A which is called a square matrix of order n, and the shaded entries A11, A12 is said to be on the main diagonal of A. Okay, two matrices are defined to be equal if they have the same size and their corresponding entries are equal. If A and B have the same size, so we can consider Aij and Bij are equal, ataupun sama lah. Okay, example, let's say we have 3 diffs matrix A, B and C here. What is a value of X? So for, let's say we want to compare A and B, so X equal 5. Okay, so this one A11, this one A12, A21, this one A22, row 1 or 2, column 1, betul? Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, 1, 2, 1 sebab dia adalah dalam row 2, column 1. Okay, so at A22 equal this one, so this is a B22, sama dengan B22. So X equals 5. But if you want to compare A and C, what is the value of X? We cannot say the answer is 4 because it has different column and row, ataupun dia punya matrices A and B are not equal. Okay, so we cannot compare. Okay, different size. Operation on matrices. Okay, it can be addition, subtraction, what else? Multiplication ataupun apa tu? Inilah. Okay, but ni normal. Okay, so matrices of different sizes cannot be added or subtracted. Okay, so we look at the next example for addition and subtraction. Okay, consider the matrices A, B, and C. Then you are required to compute A plus B. First, we have to check the matrix size. This one, 4, so it has 3 times 4. For B, samalah, 3 times 4. And then C, 2 times 2. So, the expression A plus C, B plus C, A minus C, and B minus C are undefined. Kenapa? Because matrix size are not similar. So, we can define or we can calculate A plus B only or B plus A only, not A. When related to C, it is fine. Okay, so how to add A and B? A plus B. So 2 plus minus 4, negative 2, 1 plus 3, 4, and so on and so forth lah. Okay, ikut je. Negative 1 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 2, and then 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, double check. Betul eh? So, how about A minus B? A minus B. Okay, so for A minus B, you just 2 minus negative 4, dapat 6. Betul. 1 minus 3, negative 2. So, you buatlah A11 sampailah. Ini adalah A berapa? A3, 4. So, this is B3, 4. Faham ah? So, A34 plus B34 equals 0. So, 0 minus 5, negative 5. Okay. Faham eh? So, if A is any matrix and C is any scalar, then the product C A is the matrix obtained by multiplying each entry of the matrix A by C. The matrix C A is said to be the scalar multiple of A. In matrix notation, if A equal Aij, then okay, ini just for your information. Okay, so this is for scalar multiplication. For the matrices, let's say we have 3 different matrices here, A, B, and C. Let's say we want to compute 2A, and then the other one is negative B, and we want to compute 1/3 C. This is the question. So you just multiply, put here 2A, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, and so on and so forth lah. So for negative B, you just times all the entries with negative 1, and 1/3, 1/3C, you just divide by 3, everything in the arrays. So you get the answer. This is the answer lah. Okay, next, scalar multiples. Okay, let's say this is the question 2A minus B plus 1/3C. equals to A plus bracket negative 1B tambah 1 sama. So you just put everything in the system. Okay, just tambah, because first you have to double check the matrix system here. This is 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 2 times 3. So the answer is 2 times 3. Bolehlah tambah semua sebab dia sama. So 4 plus 0 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Okay, faham Next. Okay, for if A is an MR matrix and B is an Rn matrix, then the product AB is the MX matrix whose entries are determined as follows. Okay, for multiplication, let's say we want to know the final answer. We want to check, the final answer should be M times R for matrix A, and then time with matrix B R times N. So the answer is M N. The number of row and number of column we can check from here. Okay, let's say A has 3 times 3. Here 3 times 3. So the final matrix system are 3 times 3. 3 times 2, and then this one 4 times 3. So the final is 3 times 3. Faham? We go and check from the equation. Okay, consider, let's say we have A and B. So here the matrix 2 times 1, 2, 3 column, 2 times 3, and this one 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 times 4. So the answer will be 2 times 4. Okay, so how do you get 2 times 4? Double check, betul tak? 2 row, 4 column. So first 1, 2, 4 for R1, and column 1 we have 4, 0, 2. So you just multiply 1 times 4 plus 2 times 0 plus 4 times 2, like this, 12. This is for A11 ataupun AB11. Okay, so we continue with R1 multiply with C2. Okay, and then next R1 multiply with C3, and next C4. Okay, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Betul? Dapat tak? Maksudnya this one multiply with this one, this one, this one. Okay, settle. And then followed by 260 here, and then multiply with column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. So you get this answer. Okay, step dia macam tu lah. Faham? So you just put everything in the matrix array. So betul tak? Check 1 R2 R2 2 times 4. Okay, so the final answer is this one. How about B A? What do you think? Same answer or different? Can we get the same answer with B A